my beautiful kings and queens? It's your girl Lamari Nicole, back with another video. And today, it's Coochie Wax Day. Yay! Coochie gang, coochie gang, coochie gang, coochie gang. Spin my racks on the coochie wax. Rip that hair out my coochie crack. Whatever the fuck Kenny Simone said. Love her, by the way. But yes, I'm going to go get a wax today. I figured that this could be like a mini maintenance vlog, considering my best friend, she's getting her lashes done tomorrow, and I think she's going to get a wax too. With that being said, you guys can just come along for the ride. So I'm getting mine done today, but she's getting hers done tomorrow, so I will take you guys along with me. And that's all I really have planned for today, and then tomorrow I'll pick up again. I'll vlog when I'm with her. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just came back from my appointment. Yeah, it hurt because I be waiting so late in between to go. I'm not going as often as I should, but she definitely did a way better job than when I got my sugaring done in Daytona, that's for sure. She didn't leave a lot of, like, I know like you're gonna have little small hairs here and there, but like them long ones, she got all those long ones. And at the sugaring place in Daytona, they would leave a lot of the long hairs, and I'm like, yo, what do you mean? Why are you leaving long hairs? I'm going back to my room and I'm went to the bathroom and I see all these long hairs. So they definitely do a good job. So I would recommend the gel wax or the hard wax instead of sugaring. And it didn't hurt less. Definitely didn't hurt less. People be saying it hurts less. It hurts the same. And it don't last longer. That's just my experience. Of course, it could be different for you. But sugaring, I feel like the hairs grew back thicker, but every time I get waxed, it always grows back way thinner. Not thicker, but like this, it grows back the same. Versus when you get like a hard wax, it comes back way thinner, like way thinner, to the point to where sometimes I can't even see the hair. Like it used to be that thin. So definitely recommend waxing. On a scale of 1 to 10, this time I would say it was probably like a 6 or 7. Just because of the simple fact that I think it probably could have been a 5, but I haven't gone in so long, so I was kind of like really, jittery almost, and like I was just expecting it to hurt so bad. When in essence, some of the pieces didn't even hurt, and I was flinching and stuff, and it didn't even hurt. So I'm sure my toes were probably in her stomach, but that's okay. I'm about to go home now. I will see you guys when I get there. I don't have anything else planned, so I'll either see you guys when I get there or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so slight change of plans. I said we were supposed to vlog, maintenance, me, maintenance, nails, hair, wax, lash. Did not happen. We completely forgot to pick up the camera. I didn't even go with her to one of those appointments. So it's basically, I don't know what to do. So this is obviously the next day from when I vlogged. She obviously went and got her lashes done, wax done, and now I'm actually taking her back home. So I'm on the way to do that, and then I'm gonna go to Zach's to get some food. Oh yeah, we got snow cones today, you guys. I didn't take back my Ethica set. I don't know if I told you about that, but I got an Ethica set, but they had that sale that was going on, so I'm taking that back because why would I pay $50 for it when I got it for $30 online? $34.50. But yeah, so that's basically it. I guess I'll pick up the camera tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. Somehow I'll get this to be a weekly vlog. It may not be a week, it may be 3 days. I don't know. Y'all just let me know. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I thought someone was knocking on the door. I'm at the dermatologist right now. Hopefully I'm gonna get on Accutane. I don't know, we're waiting for the doctor to come in. Frankie's in the back, say hi. Yeah. So hopefully, because we had already discussed this before, but I haven't gone in so long and my skin has cleared up a little bit. So I'm like, they may not put me on it, which that's what I'm most scared for. But I really want to get on it because I want my skin to be clear. So I will see you guys in the car.
4 hours later.
Hey y'all, so I almost forgot to vlog this, to be completely real with y'all, but I am on the way. I'm on my hair. I'm on the way to get my lashes done. It was kind of a last minute decision. I kind of decided to do it yesterday and was like, because the lady who does it, it's like $25 on Wednesdays and Thursdays because it's walk-ins. That means you're gonna have to like wait for everybody. So that's why she lowered the price, because it's probably gonna be a wait. But she opened at 10:30 and it's 10:37. So my philosophy was, someone's either gonna have an appointment at 10:30, 10:45, or 11. So either way, I feel like nobody's really gonna be up here unless they have an appointment this early. They might not get here till like 12. So I just figured, hey, let me just go ahead and get my lashes done and go up here early. You know, early bird gets the worm. You know. And I also needed to find another clip to finish off this last
At the lights, turn left onto East Cole Street, then turn left onto Office Plaza Drive.
I don't know if you can hear that. I'm at the light, so I'm about to turn into the place. Amaya got her lashes done by this girl, so her lashes look pretty good. So it's like, I'll go ahead and get mine done as well. So, okay, you guys, so I'm at the place. I've been waiting for so long. I got here like 10:40 something. It's 12, like. And there's still so many people in front of me. Like, so now I'm just taking a potty break because I have all this gray. Y'all know, like, when you be wearing like light colors, you just be feeling like your period about to start, but it don't make your period. Yeah, I was having one of those moments. There's a lot of people in there, so I was like, I'm just going to the bathroom. So, yeah, so it's probably going to be a while, but I will see you guys when I'm finished. Okay, y'all, so do not mind my hair. I have no brush, and do not mind my eyebrows. These lashes make my eyebrows look so bad. But I just finished. I like them. I will say that I think the way she put them on is like it's kind of in my eye a little bit, but it's only like when I blink too hard or something. So, but and I think she did a good job. They're cute. Yeah, so this is what they look like. Yeah. So right now I'm actually going to go and I don't know, maybe go get a Maya or something, because she said she wanted to hang out today and she wanted me to show her how to do makeup. So I figured I can make a video about that. So this is probably gonna just go on to the end of last vlog, and shit, hold on.